If you think your Gmail account might not be secure, changing just two settings can protect it instantly. Let me show you how, step by step. So, in this video, I'll show you how to change your Gmail password and remove or update your recovery phone number in the right way. This only works for your accounts you own and have access to. So, we will do step by step. So, first step is open your Google account settings. Go to Chrome or any search engine. Search in Google as Gmail account login. In you will see different links. You have to click on second or anyone. I will click on second one. After that, it will require your Gmail ID and password, but I have put already, so I have got on into login. So this type of interface you will see. Now, second step is to change your Gmail password. If you can't see any options in your device, any Android device, iPhone, in laptop you will see this type of interface, but in Android or any iPhone, you have to click on the three buttons in the right corner, and you will have a desktop site. Clicking on the desktop site will lead to your this type of interface. Now you have to change your password. So for changing your password, you have to scroll down to the third option, that is Google password. After clicking on Google password, it will take to you new interface where it will ask for your enter password. So I will log in here. After getting login, it will ask for new password and confirm new password. So you have to type here your new password and confirm here a new password, and you have to change your password. Now we will move to the next step, that is remove or change recovery phone number. Now to add a recovery phone number, you have to click on security and sign in. To add your number, you have to scroll down and find a recovery phone. Click on it, recovery phone, and you have to log in again. Enter your password and log in. It will ask for your add recovery phone, and enter your phone number and click on next button, and you will receive the code and enter it, and your number will be added. Before you leave this page, I strongly recommend two things. First, click on security and sign in and scroll down and enable two-step verification. This adds an extra layer of protection even someone gets your password. Second thing I want to share with you is review your recent security activity and make sure all devices listed belong to you. But how to check all devices are listed are yours or not? So you have to click on security and sign in and scroll down, and it will show you your devices where you are signed in. If the device is not yours, then you can simply log out from here by itself by clicking here which device you want to log out. Quick warning to you. Remember, these steps are meant only for securing your own Gmail account. Never try to access or modify someone else's account. And at last, I want to share you that if this video helped you, subscribe to how for more simple step-by-step how to guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Till then, have a good day.